Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shari of Cagayan de Oro City. For today's video po is an unboxing video. Sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-unbox kasi wala naman ako i-unbox. But today, naisipan ko lang po na i-share po sa inyo in case you are planning to buy a unit for your online class or for your online job. So, let's start. So guys, as what you have seen in the title, I will be unboxing this Huawei MateBook D15 notebook. So it's quite big. Guys, before natin siya i-unbox, I will just read to you a few of the specifications of this MateBook. So the model is, papakita ko na lang guys sa screen ha. So the color is space gray. CPU is AMD Ryzen 5. So the RAM for this guys, it's already 8 GB. So mostly daw po ngayon, yung RAM ay 8 GB na daw po. Or 4 GB, but mostly 8 GB po yung makikita nyo. And the storage for this is 512 GB SSD. And the screen size is 15.6. So unbox na po natin. So this is how it looks like. Meron lang nakalagay na Huawei dito. And yung flammable sign ba yan? Yan yung itsura niya and may mga codes. And yung specifications niya po, yung pinaka-importante usual na hinahanap is nakalagay po siya dito sa side. So dito naman sa loob, guys, ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Yung nakalagay, nasa foam po siya dyan sa ilalim. At meron din siyang plastic protector dito. And yung charger niya naman po ay nandito sa side. So you'll just have to pull it off. Ayan, kinuha ko lang siya sa side. And ito yung itsura niya. So, if you are going to open this, itsura niya. Then, we'll just open it here. And this is how the wire looks like. So, what I love about this wire, puro siya C-type sa magkabilaang dulo. And, yung mismong adapter niya, ay ito, parang yung sa cellphone lang. Sobrang cute, maliit. And magaan siya. If you are going to bring or work in a remote area, sobrang bilis lang and sobrang gaan lang siyang dalhin. So, kunin na natin yung unit. Ito yung itsura niya. Oops. So, ayan. Meron siyang protective something dito, yung foam, para hindi siya maalog. And this is now the unit. So, let's open this one. So, lagi ako magpuso. And yan. So, this is how it looks like. And yun, may Huawei siyang nakalagay dyan, guys. And yung sa back niya naman, ito yung itsura. Sobrang laki niya. 15, ano nga ba yun? 15.6 inches po yung display niya. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, guys, kasi manipis siya. So, pinagpipilian namin yung Acer, tsaka yung Lenovo. Pero mas gusto ko siya kasi manipis. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, yun nga yung charger niya po ay nandito. So, this is C-type charger. And meron siyang HDMI. Meron siyang HDMI dito. Meron siyang tatlong USB port. So, medyo marami yung tatlo. So, let's open. Meron siyang nakalagay dito na protective sheet. Ito pala yung itsura niya. Protective sheet. And then, meron nakalagay na information here. And then, guys, yung camera niya is somewhere here. O-open niyo siya, guys. Ipipress niyo lang ito. And then, the camera will pop up. And another thing that I like about this is that it's very loud. The speaker is very loud. So, if you're having a meeting and you don't have a headset or a headphone, sobrang loud and clear po ng audio. So, you can see sobrang nipis ng screen and sobrang gaan niya po dalhin. Ayan. Siyang free na bag. So, yung nagustuhan ko naman, hindi lang siya yung typical na laptop bag. Ito yung backpack talaga siya, and gray. I love the gray color. It's one of my favorite color because white, blue, and gray are my favorites. So, ito yung kanyang itsura ng bag. Sobrang ganda, gray. Marami siyang pockets. And if you're going to open, Ayan, yung itsura niya. Meron siyang power dito sa laptop. And marami po siyang pocket dyan sa loob where you can put your charger and other documents. And meron po palang protector. So, let's just open this one. Hindi ko kasi siya na-open. This is 199 pesos. So, let's put dito sa ating keyboard para hindi siya dumihan at hindi siya malagyan ng liquid or kung ano pa man. So, this is also 15 inches. So, let's try. Uniso. Parang miniso lang. Yan, Uniso. So, we will try to turn this on. So, guys, pag may meeting kayo, kailangan naka-elevate siya kasi pag nasa baba siya, parang yung butas ng ilong niyo yung makikita. Kaya, kailangan niyo siyang ilagay or yun, basta. Kasi 'di ba yung camera pag nagvi-video kayo or may ka-meeting kayo over the video, kailangan naka-lower eye level siya para maganda siyang tingnan sa Hello guys, I am currently editing the video and kakatapos ko lang din mag-Zoom meeting dito gamit yung laptop. But na-research ko siya. Sobrang disappointed ako kasi nga 'di ba, yung camera niya naandito sa function line ng keyboard. So yung angle niya nasa baba. So makikita yung chin mo tsaka yung dito na part kasi paano siya pababa siyang ganyan. And na-search ko kung paano siya i-fix. Wala siyang way to fix it. So parang ito yung downside nung based also on yung mga siguro mga forums and reviews. Ito yung downside ng unit na to. Kailangan mong bumili ng web camera. Pero I think, for me, okay lang din naman bumili ng web camera para sa laptop. So, yun. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope that you're doing well and staying home, staying safe. Thank you very much. God bless you.